Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you about the Houston Maritime Worker Rights. Introduction. Houston, a bustling maritime hub, owes much of its economic prosperity to the hard work and dedicated of its maritime workspace. The men and women toiling in the maritime industry play a critical role in the transportation of goods, fos- fostering introduction in traditional trade and supporting the local economy. However, despite their indispensable contributor, maritime worker in Houston often face sufficient challenges and inadequate protection for their rights. The article sheds light on the processing issues faced by maritime workers in Boston and advocates for comprehensive measure ways to safeguard their rights and well-being. Maritime workers in Houston have a number of rights under federal law, including the following: the right to file a claim of maintenance and cure, which is financial assistance or to cover medical expenses and loss figures while the worker is recovering from an injury. The right to file a lawsuit against the employer to negligence of if their injury was caused by the employer failure to provide a safe workplace. The rights to receive compensation for pain and suffering as well as future earning if their injury is serious. The right to be represented by an attorney. In addition to these federal rights, maritime workers in Houston may also be entitled to benefits under state law. For example, the Texas Workers' Compensation Act might provide benefit to maritime workers who are injured in a work-related accident. If you are maritime worker in Houston who has been injured, it is important to speak with an attorney to learn about your legal rights. An attorney can help you file a claim for benefit and ensure that you are treated fairly by your employer and the insurance company. Here are some of the specific laws that protect maritime workers in Houston. The Jones Act of federal law provides maritime workers with the right to sue their employer of negligence if their injury was caused by the employer's failure to provide a safe workplace. The Longshore and Harbour Worker Compensation Act LWCA. The federal law provides benefit to maritime workers who are injured in a work-related accident regardless to fault. The Texas Worker Compensation Act, the state law provides benefit to all Texas workers who are injured in a worker work related accident including maritime worker. If you have been injured in a maritime accident in Houston, you should contact an experienced maritime attorney as soon as possible. An attorney can help you understand your legal rights and options and can represent you in a claim of our benefits. Safe and health sensors. One of the most critical aspects of maritime worker rights is ensuring their safety and health on the job. The nature of maritime work experience employs to various hazards including heavy machinery, supplier, slippery surfaces, and advisor health where weather condition. Unfortunately, instance of accident injurious and even facilities and are not uncommon in this sector. There is a need for strength safety protocols, regular inspection, and proper training to mitigate risk and protect worker from harm. Fire vigors and well, working conditions. Many maritime workers in Houston are subject to explosive labor practices, receiving inadequate wages and being forced to work long hours without proper compensation. Furthermore, there have been reports of seafarers facing subpar living conditions on board vessels, which often weaken international convention, ensuring fair wages, reasonable working hours, and humble living conditions are essential in generating the guaranteeing the dignity and well-being of maritime workers. Collective bargaining and union rights. The rights of collective bargaining is a fundamental pillar is securing workers' rights and welfare. However, some maritime employees in Houston may discourage or even prevents their employees from forming or joining unions. The hamper worker ability to collectively negotiative for better working conditions, their biggest and improved benefit promoting and protecting the right of organized and engaged to collective bargaining is crucial to empower maritime workers and ensure their voices are heard. Job security and returning opportunities. The maritime industry can be subject to fluctuations due to work changes, economic conditions, or technology advancements. As a result, job security for maritime workers may be uncertain. To protect workers from sudden jobless. There should be robust policies in place and that provide adequate notice periods, returning opportunities, and access to social support system to help workers transition during difficult times. Anti-discrimination and equal opportunities. Discrimination based on face, gender, religions, or nationality has no place in any workplace, including the maritime sector. Houston maritime industry should actively promote this diversity and inclusivity, ensuring equal opportunities for all workers. Employers must adopt policies that prohibits discrimination and harassment for fostering an environment of respect and fairness. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching.